Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, to subscribe and turn your notifications on. So, today I'm going to be giving this slime a makeover. So let's get a bowl, a spoon, and the old slime. So the old slime looks like this, and it used to be like a really soft blue butter slime, but now all the clay is on top and it's very, very sticky. So I have my slime right here, and I don't want to get my hands really dirty, so I'm just gonna pull up my sleeves and scoop it in. Oh, that is very, very, oh wow. Kind of looks like a marble effect. Looks kind of pretty. Alright, anyway, now we have to mix this. Sorry, like my head isn't in frame, but I really want to get this. Ooh, so it's this. On camera, it looks much darker, but in real life, it's kind of teal. I'm gonna get some activator, and hopefully we can reactivate this. I have foam and Tide. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the Tide into here. And then I'm just gonna put a little bit in. Oh, it is activating very quickly. Look, that is pretty activated. Oh, I can almost touch it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit. Oh, that's a lot. That was a lot. I don't know about this. Okay. Okay, this is good. So I just finished fully activating it, and it's very fluffy. It has a little bit of like a fluffy type of clay texture, and I really like it. So now I'm gonna add some shaving cream. Okay, so I added in some shaving cream, and it really helped to like make it like more bouncy and just fluffy. And I really like this. It's really fun to play with, and it's very stretchy. The original slime wasn't very stretchy. It was an okay slime, but I definitely like the new version better. Now it's time to add some accessories. Let's mix this in. Ooh, that color is pretty. Some ASMR. Ah, you took a little bit of a tumble there. Okay, stop. Okay, there you go. Okay, so this is what the slime looks like now. I don't know if I like my decision, but it doesn't look that bad. Okay. Now I'm gonna add in the glitter. Ooh, look how pretty. I love glitter. Update, so I've been playing with it for a while, but it still has like these little specks from the eyeshadow. So I decided to incorporate that into the theme of the slime. So its name is Blueberry Pie. And I really like it. I think the texture is amazing. It looks pretty good. I don't know how it looks on camera, but it looks amazing in real life. But yeah, I really like this. This is the finished product. Okay, so I'm editing this right now, and I just want to give a quick update. So it turned a much darker color, and it really looks like a blueberry. I'll put a picture right up here. Guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you could give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, to turn your notifications on and subscribe. Anyway, bye!